Have you ever wondered about the impact of your daily habits on your health, or how much you really know about the toxins building up in your body? From the invisible free radicals to the microplastics we unwittingly consume, our bodies can become a veritable storehouse for these harmful substances. And while our bodies are designed to naturally detoxify, our modern lifestyles often overload this system. Recognizing this and understanding the need for a cleanse is a crucial first step towards better health. Today we'll take a journey through the process of detoxifying your body, step by step. Before we dive into the detox process, it's crucial to understand what we're dealing with: body toxins. These invisible invaders come in various forms, each with their own damaging effects. Let's start with free radicals. These unstable atoms can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. They're like little wrecking balls, causing chaos at a microscopic level. Next up, we have microplastics. Tiny fragments of plastic smaller than 5 millimeters. These infiltrate our bodies through our food, water, and even the air we breathe. They can accumulate in our bodies over time, potentially causing various health issues. Lastly, let's talk about waste cells. Our bodies naturally produce waste as a byproduct of cellular processes. But when these waste cells build up, they can interfere with our body's normal functioning, leading to a host of health problems. Now that we've grasped the concept of body toxins, it's time to learn how to cleanse them from our system. Embarking on the journey of body cleansing may seem daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. Let's start with the basics. The cornerstone of any detox plan is water, nature's own solvent. By consuming ample amounts of water daily, we aid our bodies in flushing out toxins naturally. Next, let's talk about food. It's time to befriend fruits and vegetables, particularly those rich in antioxidants. Berries, dark chocolate, kale, and even green tea are just a few examples. These nutrient powerhouses help combat harmful free radicals in the body. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of movement. Regular exercise not only boosts your mood and energy levels, but also promotes the removal of toxins through sweat. So, lace up those trainers and get moving. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. These initial steps are just the beginning of your detox journey. As we continue our detox journey, it's time to delve into some more advanced cleansing methods. In our previous segment, we focused on dietary changes and physical activity. Now, we turn to some less tangible but equally crucial factors in the detoxification process: sleep, stress, and harmful substances. Let's start with sleep. It's during those hours of slumber that our bodies go into repair mode, cleaning out toxins and regenerating cells. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is not a luxury, it's a necessity for a healthy, cleansed body. Next, we have stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, disrupting your detoxification processes and contributing to toxin buildup. Regular meditation, yoga, or simply taking time out for yourself daily can help manage stress levels. Finally, it's essential to avoid certain harmful substances. This includes alcohol, tobacco, and unnecessary medications, as these can overload your liver, making it harder for your body to cleanse itself. Instead, opt for natural alternatives where possible. It's also worth considering the toxins in your environment. Everyday items like plastic containers, non-stick cookware, and certain cleaning products can introduce harmful substances into your body. Aim to reduce your exposure to these toxins by choosing safer alternatives. By incorporating these steps into your routine, you'll be well on your way to a toxin-free body. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to cleansing your body of toxins. To encapsulate, we embarked on a journey to understand the nature of toxins, from free radicals to microplastics, and their impact on our health. We've explored how these unwanted guests find their way into our bodies and the damage they can inflict if left unchecked. Then, we navigated through a step-by-step guide on body cleansing, illuminating the path towards a healthier, toxin-free life. From dietary changes, the importance of hydration, to the role of exercise and sleep, each step plays a crucial role in this detoxification process. But let's remember, this isn't a one-time fix. It's a continuous journey that requires consistency and commitment. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Changes that will not only detoxify your body, but also improve your overall well-being. Remember, detoxifying your body is a journey, not a destination. So make these steps a part of your lifestyle and enjoy a healthier, toxin-free life.